I just got the stringer staged. They're all cut and staged. It's rough cut. They're high, as you can tell by that 2x4 going across. They're about an inch to inch and a quarter too high. Cut down, ground down, whatever needs to be done to make the original floor fit back to where it originally was. This has to be in the original spot for the deck to fit perfectly on top. If not, the deck's going to be too high or too low for it to sit on. So the front is really the super critical area. And yeah, hopefully shortly have these all glassed in, probably by the end of the week. And next week, get the floor in and all that, and get the deck back on.
And you got the transom complete.
Yeah, the transom's glass is complete. Solid as a rock. Won't have no issues with that, that's for sure. It'll definitely last a lifetime. The beauty of Coosa. And you can see some of the scrap pieces where we trimmed the corners out. You can see the bond is real nice in between the two. They're glassed together real nice. I mean, they ain't going nowhere. Yeah. It worked out real well. Got a nice bond to it. So you want to know delamination at all? Shouldn't be a problem.
So you got the 2 3/4
glass together in the middle with a layer of 1.5 mat between the two. Nice and sturdy.
So you said this down here was different than before. Is it wider?
Yes. Originally, they had another bulkhead here and one here. They had the bulkheads doubled up. We're not doing that. We're going to run this straight back. But they didn't have no glass on it hardly at all. So
I see.
We're going to put heavier glass on this.
So it's wider by about 1 foot almost.
Probably about 8 inches wider total.
Okay.
And all that. The well will be a little bit bigger, which won't affect anything. So we decided to go ahead and do a single stringer instead of doubling up little stringers in the back.
Oh, even though it's a tri-hull, it still looks like a deep V when it's all cut out and
Oh yeah.
torn out like that.
This places a lot of water down it. Got to go pick up all the 1808 and glass the stringer again.
1808. What is 1808?
It's a biaxial fabric that we're going to use to put the stringers in, 2 layers on each side, 6-inch wide piece and a 12-inch wide piece. That way, when we turn our glass, it goes from the hull up, 2 layers on each side.
Okay.
That's what will hold them in.
So it's called 1808.
1808 biax.
All right.
Yeah, I'm not going to use Roven the way the factory did.
Not going to use what?
Roven. Factory used Roven to put everything with.
Okay.
Roven by today's standards is not. It's weak. It doesn't have the strength unless you put multi-layers of it together. And they had 1 layer of the strings. So I'm going to switch it 2 layers of 1808, which will be a lot stronger and weigh about the same. Don't forget, I got a warranty.
Oh, okay. All right.
I got a warranty, so I overdo it a little bit on the glass, which is okay. I don't want to have to take it back out.
Another angle on the stringers.
Yeah, like I said, they're just sitting there.
Right.
They're not fastened. It's got a couple pieces of scrap Coosa across the top with some screws standing, so I can figure out where the floor goes. You can tell I was doing that piece of wood in front of there.
Right.
We're still up there. We're a 1/2 inch high because the floor, the original floor, top edge of the floor is right here, the bottom of where they have that core bond they use to fill the gap in the floor. And as you can see, we're a 1/2 inch still too high on the stringers.
But you do that on purpose so that you can bring it down to where you want to be.
Exactly. Leave them always about a 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch.
Right. It's like a haircut.
Exactly. Yep. And you go down the line, you have your straight edge that you run across, and you find where you're supposed to be, and you grind them down to where they need to be. That way, your floor sits exactly where it's supposed to. spot too high, you don't